what am I going to be going through at the upcoming workshop? We're 1 week out. If you haven't clicked the link to come to the workshop, do it now. One of the things I'm going to be going through is how I was able to achieve an extra $600,000 in the sale price of a business, of a retail business I sold recently. Look, when it comes down to it, when you sell a business, if you're in the business on the tools, you'll get 1 to 2 times of your profit. So if you're making $87,000, let's call it $100,000 in profit, you'll get somewhere between $1 and $200,000 when you sell the business as an average. If you've got some leverage, you've got a manager in there, you're not there day to day, you'll get somewhere between 3 and 4 times, which means you'll get $300,000 to $400,000 if you're making $100,000 profit. That's a rough guide. But what I'm going to be doing is taking you step by step through what I did in my business. So simple things that you can do, you can take it out, get your results, even if you're not thinking of selling. These are things that you can do from loyalty system, from social media, all the simple things I did that I did in my business, a service station. Who would have thought you need social media for a service station? But I've seen the need for it, and that helped me achieve this sale price. So click the link, attend the workshop. That's just a small snippet of what I'll be going through that I can guarantee you're going to walk away with some simple strategies that you can get results in your business, but it won't happen unless you take action. So click the link. Please don't miss this opportunity. The room only holds so many, and we're nearly at that capacity. So that's going to happen. You're going to miss out because I can't knock a wall out. It's that simple. Click the link. I can't wait to meet you in person. The key thing is I'm going to be going through the things that I do in my business that'll work for you. Can't wait to meet you. If you haven't joined up yet, click the link, make it happen, and I'll see you there.